Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here with the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Today we're going to go over real quickly how we're going to process a large windfall of onions. I do a lot of trading. I do a lot of trading with my neighbors. One of my neighbors decided to stop by. They gave me a bunch of onions, and I have about 15 pounds of onions to go through, some of which have already started to sprout. So we're going to show you how we quickly process these, where we can go ahead and get them in the freezer, ready to go for future endeavors. So I'm going to get you guys turned around here, and I'm going to show you how we get this done. So first things first, guys, we're going to grab an onion. We're going to grab our trusty knife. Safety first, guys. Make sure your knives are good and sharp. There's nothing worse than to try to do any kind of work with a dull knife. You end up pushing harder and you'll get yourself cut or hurt in the end. We're going to peel our onions real quick. You guys can cut these in half. I don't. So maybe I'll show you how we get this done. Save your skins, guys. You see this pile of skins back here? That is going to make some wonderful stock. We're going to put it with our chicken bones, our roasted chicken, and it's going to make some wonderful chicken stock. And here's a little note. These yellow skins are going to give your stock that nice orange yellow flavor, or orange yellow look that everybody likes with chicken stock. Now, normally, we're going to cut our onions like this. We're going to sit here and we're going to dice them up. Now, guys, this is going to take you all day to do 12 to 15 pounds of these. See, we got a pile of them here. We're going to get them all kind of scooted together. I'm not a professional, guys. I don't play one on TV. I just get everything done. So this isn't too bad. If you want to, you guys can do it like this. I'm going to show you how we get through pounds of these in a hurry. So my preferred method is to use the mandolin. Now, these things can be super dangerous. Everybody knows they got a nice sharp blade here. We've actually got the ones that have the little teeth that come up. That really makes dicing onions super breeze, guys. This is nothing at all. Just push it on through. All right, take two. We take our top for our mandolin, and then we just push our onion through here. And in no time, guys, we've got a completely chopped onion ready to go ahead and bag up. Now, as you guys will see, these just fall apart after you use the mandolin. This is great. This is what we're looking for our soups and stews. Any of our canning tomatoes or anything like that. This is what we're going to use. So go ahead and get the rest of these chopped up. I've already done about 9 pounds of these. It won't take me that much longer to get the rest of them. Now, once you have your onions like this, you guys can put them in a dehydrator and dehydrate them. You can put them in the freezer and freeze them. You can go ahead and use them for canning. We're going to use some of these for canning tomorrow. Most of these are going to go into the freezer, though, for future canning endeavors. So what we like to do, take a zip top freezer bag. We'll take 4 cups, put it right into our freezer bag. I like 4 cups. They fit in here just nice. We can get them all squished down, get all the air out. You could vacuum seal these if you wanted to. I don't feel like getting the vacuum sealer out today. So there we have 4 cups of onions in our bag. We're going to seal our top. Push it out so it lays flat in the freezer. And that's how we process our onions. So, guys, got a hot tray of cinnamon rolls back here. So, guys, that's how we take care of our onions. We got, like I said, 12, 15 pounds of onions we're going to do today. It literally took me, I don't know, about 4 minutes to get through 6 pounds. So I can get all these done in less than a half an hour. You guys, having these prepared, already chopped up, ready in the freezer, makes it real nice. Take them out, throw them in a casserole, throw them in a soup, scrambled eggs in the morning, make you an omelet, doesn't really matter. We've got them, they're already chopped and ready to go. Anybody can do this, guys. All it takes is a little bit of forethought, a little bit of prepping, and you too can have food put away for whenever you need it most. So until next time, get out there, get your onions prepared, get them in the freezer, get them in the dehydrator or freeze dryer, guys. Anybody can do this, and you're going to appreciate having them on the shelf. Until next time, y'all stay safe.